Top 5 Best Heat Press Machines.
Number 1. POWERPRESS Heat Press Machine. Its powerful features, compact design, and energy efficiency, we would be hard-pressed, get it? Not to put the POWERPRESS Heat Press Machine anywhere but the top of our listing. It has serious upgrades since we last visited this model, and with plenty of new features, this sublimation machine is ready to tackle any task thrown at it. Number 2. CRICUT EASYPRESS 2 Heat Press. This is a wonderful option for those just starting, or those who are looking for a household heat press alternative that doesn't look like a torture device. The price is right for beginners and small families, and this small item makes an incredible gift. Overall, we were impressed by the abilities the CRICUT EASYPRESS 2 offered. Far faster heat up time than other heat presses we have reviewed, at 2 to 3 minutes. A much safer option for beginners and children, with less potential for burns. This design is incredibly compact, letting us gets hotter, heats faster, works magic. Number 3. F2C Pro Heat Press. Overall, we were impressed by the heavy-duty steel construction of the F2C Pro Heat Press. While we were discouraged by a few things, the feature-rich machine and 6"-1 options made it an overall winner in our book, and substantial value for the price point. A long-lasting, coated work surface and sturdy build ensures there won't be a need to replace plates. The steel construction provides quick and effective heat distribution of the working surface. Curves, presses and attachments allow for work on a variety of pieces and materials. The swing-away style prevents potential burns from working directly over the hot upper platen. While incredibly versatile, the plates were some of the smallest in the home heat presses that we reviewed. The temperature range caps at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, a bit lower than most of the alternatives researched. Swing-away style heat presses require a larger workspace than clamshell and draw options. Number 4. FANCIERSTUDIO Power Heat Press. We were impressed by the heavy-duty steel construction of this. Number 5. Mothhorn Heat Press. Overall, we were very impressed with the Mothhorn Heat Press. Between its sturdy build, Teflon coating, and safety-focused swing-away design, this is